Small things that you can do around your house to add value. One is paint. Paint goes a long way, especially the exterior, the front door in particular. If you paint the front door and give it a little pop, people that drive by, they're going to want to desire to go inside, and it's based on the outside. So you want to make sure that the curb appeal is good. So adding a little paint on to the front door, or even painting the inside, that's something you guys can easily do. Another thing is changing out the hardware on the cabinets. That's an easy thing that you can go through the house. A couple other tips that you can do is just to get the house ready, is to declutter. Make sure you put away personal belongings and pictures, because you want someone to come in and not be staring at things and trying to figure out, do I know this person? Looking at the pictures and trying to figure it out. And the last thing I would say is, this is what I've done when I had my house on the market, the smell of your house. When you walk in, you want it to be a comfortable temperature as well, but you also want it to smell good. So I used to bake cookies, and instead of baking cookies every single time, or a pie, you don't have time for that, bake cookies one time, take that cookie, put it in a plastic bag, and then every time you have a showing, take it out, put it in the microwave for like 10 seconds or 15 seconds and walk around with that cookie, put it back in the bag and save it, because honestly, you can do that a couple of times and then the house smells really good. It smells homey and it feels comfortable. Make sure the temperature is really good as well in there. So there's a few tips that you can do and a few things to add value to your house that's not that expensive or hard to do.